Jesus, you're calling. I hear you knocking. Your invitation is drawing me into deeper faith. Spirit, you're moving, and I wanna follow. You're pulling me closer, leading me into greater things. Your ways are higher than my own, beyond anything I've ever known. Over and over and over again, reason to trust you again and again. Nothing comes close to what you've done. Nothing compares to how you love. Over and over and over again, reason to trust you again and again. So whatever comes next, I can trust you again. I know you don't need me, but you say that you want me. Wherever you're going, Jesus, I'm coming, running after you. Your ways are higher than my own, beyond anything I've ever known. Over and over and over again, reason to trust you again and again. Nothing comes close to what you've done. Nothing compares to how you love. Over and over and over again, reason to trust you again and again. So whatever comes next, oh, I can trust you again. Whatever comes next, oh, I can trust you again and again and again and again. Morning after morning, you have always loved and you always will. You're so faithful, I'm so grateful. You have never failed and you never will. Morning after morning, you have always loved and you always will. You're so faithful, I'm so grateful. You have never failed and you never Your ways are higher than my own, beyond anything I've ever known. Over and over and over again, reason to trust you again and again. Nothing comes close to what you've done. Nothing compares to how you love. Over and over and over again, reason to trust you again and again. So whatever comes next, oh, I can trust you again. Whatever comes next, oh, I can trust you again and again and again. Whatever comes next, oh, I can trust you again. Whatever comes next, I will trust you